Sofia Lyfar, dancer. I'm from Ukraine, and welcome to the ninth lesson of my new project Bellydance from Zero to Infinity. And today we are going to learn and practice one more basic movement. It's knee shimmy. Let's start from warming up our body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How I'm making it? I'm stretching my knees by each other back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First practice like this. Stay on one place and make these movements back. 1, 2, 3. Then, when I made it, I'm making it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I make it more faster and it's knee shimmy. So this movement needs a lot of practice, and when you practice a lot you will do it, not nervous, and it will be soft knee shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, stretch your knees, stretch your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's make it, by the way, look at my position of my legs. It's like under the shoulders, and I'm making it a little bit out. Not normal, little. My feet are looking outside. Little bit. So, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great. And one more thing for today. But I must say something to you. Some people have problems with their knees, and I'm one of them. Cause I have physiological feature. I can't stretch my knees fully back. I can't make it. When I make it, it's shaking my knee joints, and it's not good for my health. So I found a method how to make it without any problems. On Be a Diva, on Diva the online course, it's Be a Diva technique. So I'm making the same knee shimmy but by different variation. I'm not stretching my knees back, I'm pushing my knees forward like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not stretching, pushing it forward. And I have this same knee shimmy, but it's more comfortable for me, and I don't have any shakes in my knee joints. So I was so happy to see you on my next lesson of my new project Bellydance from 0 to infinity. On the next lesson we will have improvisation with all movements that we have learned on all my on my nine lessons of this project. So I will be so happy to see you there, and bye! Kisses from Ukraine.